Ever pondered about the benefits of intermittent fasting? In the labyrinth of health trends, it might seem like just another passing fad. But today, we're going to unravel the mystery around intermittent fasting, and you may just find that it's not as daunting as it may seem. Intermittent fasting at its core is an eating pattern where you oscillate between periods of eating and fasting. It's not about what you eat, but rather when you eat. Intriguing, isn't it? There's no one-size-fits-all approach here. You can tailor it to fit your lifestyle and nutritional needs. One popular method is the 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting your eating window to 8 hours. Typically, this could mean skipping breakfast and having your first meal at noon and your last meal before 8 in the evening. The good news is you're asleep for most of the fasting period. Another method is the 5-2 method. This involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and reducing your calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories for the remaining 2 days. A more extreme version is the Eat-Stop-Eat method. This involves a 24-hour fast once or twice a week. This could mean not eating from dinner one day until dinner the next day. Now, you may be wondering, why put yourself through this? Well, intermittent fasting has several potential benefits. It can aid weight loss and improve metabolic health. It can also reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and may even extend lifespan. In terms of weight loss, intermittent fasting helps to reduce calorie intake and enhances hormone function to facilitate weight loss. By reducing insulin resistance, intermittent fasting can lower blood sugar and protect against type 2 diabetes. Heart health is yet another area where intermittent fasting shines. It can improve numerous risk factors for heart disease, such as blood pressure, cholesterol levels, triglycerides, and inflammatory markers. There are even studies suggesting that intermittent fasting could help fight inflammation and disease. And if that wasn't enough, animal studies suggest that intermittent fasting may extend lifespan and improve health in numerous ways. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. It's flexible and can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. It has potential benefits including weight loss, improved metabolic health, reduced inflammation, improved heart health, and maybe even extended lifespan. It's important to remember that while intermittent fasting can be beneficial, it's not for everyone. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet or lifestyle. So, the next time you hear about intermittent fasting, you'll know it's not just another health trend. It's a lifestyle choice that, when done correctly, can offer a multitude of benefits. It's a journey, not a destination. So why not embark on this fascinating voyage of health and wellness?